Today I will show you how to insert this graph in Microsoft Excel, how to draw this type of charts in Microsoft Excel. This is my discussion. It's where I have, this was my project. This is my discussion where I have added the charts. This chart is for this table. For this table 1. So I will first first insert this table in Excel. The table of dosage. So I will just remove this. This is dosage. In milligrams per liter. This is the initial turbidity starting in 19, 18.1, 18.91, followed by 14.32, 15.32. This is the residual, the final turbidity. This is called a comparison graph. So I will just select all of this, insert, and see this option here, line, insert line or area chart. I will expand it, pick this option. So you must remove this or cut. Then I'll select it, insert, and I'll pick this one. Okay. Then I'll come here, insert titles. So this one will be dosage. This one will be not dosage, turbidity. The units are in NTU, comma, opening parenthesis, NTU, closing parenthesis. This one is concentration. All dosage in opening parenthesis milligrams per liters. I will just change the colors to be black, change this one to be Bondoni, Bookman old style, and just bold them. Okay, pick this one, select all, control all, can come here at home. I will change to Bookman old style, black, bold. Black. Pick this one, change to black. Chart title. Chart title is, can add a chart title. Can be this. Let's see the chart title. Stability versus alum dosage. Okay, stability versus alum dosage. I can change this one to Bookman old style, not Bondoni. Bookman old style. And I'll just change the color to black. This one I can also change to dark. Now you can see, can click here, add labels, can add labels. So you can see the labels. Now let me just add the labels. And click. You can change the style, you can change the color. You can use any color, but I just picked the first one. The style you can change depending. You can change to black. You can even change this one in Microsoft Word. So I prefer that style. Then apply and just close. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in another video like this one.